Jumripsu. Hello everybody, welcome to SamAth English channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about O and W. Do you know when letter O and W together, what sound do they make? Okay, so we're gonna learn about the specific sound of O and W. But before we begin, I would like you guys to review the lesson with me together. Here, let's get started. We have 21 consonants, right? We have B, K, D, F, and J, H, etc. We have 21, so we have 5 vowels too. There are A, E, I, O, U. A is A, E is A, I is I, O is A, U is R. So 21 and 5, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Here is the long vowel A. Why I review this? Because in the previous video, we already learned about the long A, long I, O, and U. Before we jump to the OW, we should review this first. So it's a long A. It makes sound A. So you can see the word. When you put B, it's B. And then you put A, it is B, right? So when you put letter K here, it's gonna make the word bake, bake, bake. And we put the word K, and then we put A, K, cake. You see, we have the word bake. If you put or, it will become rake. If you put it will become lake. So let's go to the I. Long vowel I makes sound I. So we can say like ride. R. This is R is the with. When you put E at the end, it makes sound I. So we say ride, ride. You ride a bike. And we can put one more word like hike, hike. Yes, and then we can put one more is bike, bike. You see, it's so easy. Just remember the A, E, I, E about this sound, and then you can make the word. Like this is O. So we say O, whole. We put P, O, pole, and we put T, O, toe, right? Okay, and go to the long vowel U. It makes an U, like K, U, T. We don't say coot, we say shoot, shoot. And then we put U, oot. This is mute, mute. Okay, let's go to the long vowel E. We put B, E, B. T and R, E, tree. S, E, C. Wow. And in the previous video, we have learned S and sn, like snake. Sm, O, smoke. Like PH, like phone, phone. Like CH, chair. SH, like shout. TH, like teeth. Like thick. And C and like click. And B and R is brown brick. Okay, let's go to the OW. O, W, it makes sound O, O. And listen and repeat. You listen and then you say, okay? This is O and W, it makes sound O, O. So this is B, L, blow, blow. Can you say blow? Well done. Blow, like you blow, like this is blow. Number 2, S and O, snow, snow. You know, snow is a piece of ice. Sometimes it falls from the sky. When the snow falls, we feel cold. Snow. And number 3 is mow, mow, mow. Mow, like you cut the plants or the long grass, the long 6 piece of grass, and then you cut it. It is mow. And number 4 is slow, slow, slow. It's like in not much speed. Like I walk slow, slow, slow. Okay, slow like that. The opposite word of slow is fast. Is fast, not slow. Like this, slow. Okay. And number 5 is G and R, O, grow, grow. Grow mean, you know, it go up, 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 up. Grow is example, like the children grow quickly. When the children 2 years old, just like this. When the children go 3, 4, 5, they grow up, up. Like the tree grow. Okay. And number 6 is row, 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 like you row the boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Okay, and number 1 is cow. So you see now it's different. Now this is O, W is on O. But in this word, 6 word here, O, W sound like ow. You can see cow, cow. And this is owl. You know the cow, right? Moo, moo. And then owl, owl. Owl have the big eyes, the flat face, big eyes. The owl didn't sleep. The owl, they don't sleep at night. The owl has very big eyes and looking at you with the big eyes. And then number 3, it means we say ow, ow, now, 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 like here. Now I am here. Okay, it's not in the past, in the present, right now. Number 4 is how, 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 how in a way you do something. It's how. How do we make the sound O and W here? O and ow. This is how. Okay. Number 5 is towel. Towel. Towel is like a piece of clothes that you dry your body. It's towel. Okay. And number 6 is wow. Wow. Wow, like you promise to do something. You determine decisions or promise to do something. Wow. Number 1 here, we have O at the end. We have N at the end. So we don't say O or we don't say ow. We don't say oh, ow, no. We say, like it sounds like own, like k and r, own, crown, crown, crown. You know the king wear the crown. Crown is a circular make for a head. A king for a king or queen or a special ceremony. A crown. And number 2 is gown. Gown, gown, gown is it's like a long piece of clothes that you wear on the other clothes. I am wearing this and I put the gown. Okay. And number 3 is and on clown. Clown is a funny person. He make you laugh. Clown. And number 4 is blonde. And blonde. Blonde is the past tense of blow. Okay, number 5 is brown color. It's brown. I have no color brown right here. Brown in Cambodia we say poor knout. And number 6 is down. Like a lower position. Like this is up, this is down. Okay. So again, we translate into Cambodian language, to Khmer language. So blow means plum, snow means prill, mow means cut smell, cắt đây để crack được dễ bị smell này mình crack chứ thì cắt. Okay. Slow meanยืด Fight grow mean លូតលាស់ឬក៏រីកចម្រើននិយាយពីក្មេងការលូតលាស់របស់ក្មេងនិយាយពីដើមឈើគឺដើមឈើនឹងវាធំលឿន grow. Number 6 row ចែវទូ like row your boat វាមានអត្ថន័យលើសពីនឹងទៀតតាមអត្ថបទហើយយើងមើលនេះកន្លែងនេះ OW គឺសលេងវា O ដែលដល់ពេលកន្លែងនេះ OW គឺអាវអញ្ចឹងខោគោអោសត្វទីទុយណាវអឡូហៅរបៀបក្នុងការធ្វើអីមួយហៅថៅកន្សែងពោះគោវ៉ាវសន្យាឬក៏បដិញ្ញាចិត្តពាក្យទីមួយទៀតគឺយើងមាន M នៅពីក្រោយអញ្ចឹងសលេងរបស់វាគឺ crown ន័យថាមកុដ2គឺ gown មានន័យថាសម្លៀកបំពាក់ដូចរ៉ូបដែលវែងណាដូចចាស់ស្ត្រីពាក់ gown ឬក៏បវរកញ្ញាដែលឡើងប្រកួត Miss Universe អីនោះគេevening gown នោះរ៉ូបវែងពាក្យទី3គឺ clown គឺតួថ្លុកបំផ្លែងពាក្យទី4គឺ blonde នោះពាក្យថា blow ផ្លុំបានផ្លុំពាក្យទី5គឺ brown ពណ៌ប្រថ្នោតពាក្យទី6គឺ down អញ្ចឹងសរុបមកវិញក្នុងវីដេអូនេះគឺចង់ផ្ដោតសំខាន់ទៅលើសំឡេងទាំង3របស់ OW ហើយនិង OW ហើយនិង OWN អញ្ចឹងសំឡេងរបស់វាគឺផ្លែកខុសពីគ្នាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងចំណាំអញ្ចឹង OW ទៅនេះគឺពាក្យទាំងអស់នេះគឺមានសំឡេង O អញ្ចឹងគឺ blow snow mow slow grow row ពាក្យសំឡេងនេះគឺ OW ដែរប៉ុន្តែជាសំឡេងអាវខោអោណាវហៅថៅវ៉ាវតែកន្លែងនេះយើងមាន N ពីក្រោយអញ្ចឹងវាដូរសំឡេងcrown gown clown blown brown and down អូខេអរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសម្រាប់ការតាមដានពីដើមដល់ចប់ Thank you very much for spending your time watching this video. I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. See you in the next video. Bye. ជម្រាបលា